Welcome. In this video I will show you how to rotate screen on your Apple MacBook Air M4. First, hold down the Option button on your keyboard, then click the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen, and then go to System Settings. Keep holding down the Options button, scroll down to Displays section, then scroll down to Rotation, and select Standard. At this point you can release the Options button, and here you can choose between Standard, 90 degrees, 180 degrees or 270 degrees, whichever way you want to rotate your screen. Once your screen has rotated, you'll be able to revert it by selecting the Revert option, or to confirm this rotation. If you don't choose anything within 15 seconds, your action will be automatically reverted. And so that's it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.